Last year we presented at the AWA conference and unexpectedly and excitedly won Best Presentation for the award. So we've now taken that forward and delighted to say that we've been accepted to speak at the upcoming OzWater conference. And it's really talking about the journey that we've been on, particularly in terms of diversity, inclusion and gender equality in particular. So we've kind of bringing our two stories together and sharing our individual perspectives and some highlights and some challenges along the way.
Oh, 100%. And it's not just about the diverse representation that we've now got across project delivery and also the wider TasWater, but it's about what those perspectives then bring to the outcomes for the Tasmanian community. We are so proud and excited to be on the national stage to represent the state and the TasWater as a whole, but genuinely feel we've got an excellent story to share. To inspire others.
And help others along too.
Yeah.